key thoughts was we wanted to get the relationship closer to the customer. So Brymec as a manufacturer means that our products, we can offer the best quality, we can offer technical support, we can offer warranty, and it makes us a lot closer to the customer in terms of the relationship. So you've obviously got to find the supplier in the first place. That's the first thing. So there's quite a bit of research in terms of what products do we want to take on board. And then once you've found the product range, once you've identified that opportunity, the next part is to find the right partner, to find the right supplier. This is a much more complicated process than people think, and it involves a lot of work in terms of audits with the supplier, visiting suppliers, checking product, checking quality, but also checking the way the supplier works with us in terms of the partnership. So we like our suppliers to be ethical, we like them to have the right health and safety, we like them to have the right facilities for their workers, and then we'll work with them developing the product to our specification. Yeah, as we said before, it brings the relationship closer to the customer. And we have much more control of the product, both in terms of technical specification and quality. But it means we can increase our stock, we hold a vast stock of these branded products. It means we can supply things like BIM models, we can supply better quality information to the customer. It brings that relationship much closer to the customer, from the product to the customer, all under the Brymec brand.